I'm just going to show you how to replace a battery in a Mercedes Benz 2008 SLK. It's quite tricky. Usually when they've been in your pocket for a while, you get a build-up of grime inside, and that's the bit that's coming out there. You've also got a key blade there that you've probably never ever used, but you flip that little switch across, take the key out. Now in there, if you can see, let me just try and get it at the right angle, there's a little catch just there. That catch, you need to pull it away this way. It releases a little pull into there, and that stops it coming out. So you need to get that in there and then lever it out. However, I can tell you now, I broke my thumbnail trying to do this before, so put that in there, lever it open with the key on the desk, then just use the screwdriver in a turning motion to separate that bit. As you can see there, this has two batteries, and here we go. I'll just show you one of them. It's self-explanatory how they come out, and that is a CR2025. So CR2025, if you can see that. Put them back in, same way. You see there, the positives there, the positives to flat back. Press that in, and then it only goes in one way, like so. That clicks. What I should have shown you is the actual catch. Right, okay, the catch. So we'll lever that out again, and then screwdriver in, lever the top out. I'll just show you the catch. That's the catch you're trying to separate. So as you can see, this little, you put that in there and that opens it. You should really be able to hold the key with your hand there and push this out with your thumb while you're doing that. The idea is if the key's nice and clean, like so, and then just push that out. But as I say, this is too tough. I took the top of my nail off before, so like so. Again, don't have your hand underneath. In there, in there, lever it, and then just lever that off like so. That's it.